Okay, dear student, in this video we are going to discuss a very most important concept regarding the quadrilaterals. See, suppose you take that this one is that a quadrilateral, this one is the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, see this quadrilateral formed by one is the homogeneous and other one is the non-homogeneous. So here I will write that let ABCD be a quadrilateral formed by the pair of equations S is equals to ax square plus 2h into xy plus by square is equals to 0. This one is that represent the two sides of the quadrilateral, and S dash is equals to a into x square plus 2h into xy plus by square plus 2 into gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So this is the non-homogeneous second degree equation. It represents the lines does not passing through origin, right? So like that figure will be, actually we will draw that figure is that, so here is that xy plane, the first equation s is equals to 0 will represent that these two lines, and that another equation s dash is equals to 0. Look at this one. In the first equation and second equation, homogeneous part will be equal. That means the second equation represent the lines parallel to the lines represented by the first equation. That means one equation will be parallel to this one, and another one is that parallel to this one. So let it be, this is that A and this one is that B and this one is that C, right? So this parallelogram is this one is this quadrilateral is represented what type of the diagram. Now in that above figure you consider that O as that origin. OA and OD are represented by the first equation, and BC and CD are represented by the second equation. See here the conditions. So here is that name of the quadrilateral. This one is that name of quadrilateral. Name of quadrilateral. Name of quadrilateral. And the next one is that condition. The next one is that condition. See here that you understand that first meaning of these two. Name of the quadrilateral means, suppose this quadrilateral is a square, this one is a square. Then what is that condition? Condition will be a plus b is equals to 0, a plus b is equals to 0, and g square minus f square whole divided by f into g is equals to a minus b whole divided by h. So if both the conditions will be satisfied, the quadrilateral will be represent a square. And the next one is that only the first one will be satisfied. I mean rectangle. This one is that rectangle. So rectangle means when will it represent the rectangle? If only the first one will be satisfied. A plus b is equals to 0 and g square minus f square by f into g not equals to a minus b whole divided by h. This one is the condition to represent the quadrilateral is the rectangle. Next one is that parallelogram. Parallelogram will be first one will not satisfy. That means a plus b not equals to 0 and g square plus minus f square whole divided by f into g not equals to a minus b whole divided by h. This one is the condition for the parallelogram. And next one is that rhombus. Next one is that rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but here that a plus b not equals to 0 and g square minus f square whole divided by f into g is equals to a minus b whole divided by h. These are the conditions to decide the given second degree equations will be formed what type of a quadrilateral, right? But these are the traditional conditions, but we have the shortcut formula is there, so that also we will see at the same time. See this one here, I will write that one shortcut formula. Shortcut will be, see this one is that shortcut is nothing but first one is that what? Square. To represent a square, first condition is that a plus b is equals to 0. A plus b is equals to 0 means, you know, in that above equations a and b are the coefficient of x square and y square. So a plus b is equals to 0. And next see that constant in the non-homogeneous. If this constant have a perfect square irrespective of the sign, so that means you have to write that this one is equals to c is equals to a perfect square. Here you write that modulus of c. Why? Because here c will be sometimes the positive and sometimes negative. Irrespective of the sign means so need not take that here the sign. So that means you take that modulus. If modulus of c is equals to a perfect square, then it will becomes a square. So compared to these conditions, this is the very simple. Just by looking the both equations you can tell the answer. And next one is the rectangle. And next one is that rectangle. Rectangle will be a plus b is equals to 0. A plus b is equals to 0 and modulus of c not equals to a perfect square, is not a perfect square. Perfect square. It's not a perfect square. Okay. Is equals to means is a perfect square. Not equals to means this one is not a perfect square. And next one is that here is that parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means now in this one a plus b not equals to 0 and a plus b not equals to 0 and the modulus of c is not a perfect square, is not a perfect square, is not a perfect square, right? So next one is that rhombus. This one is that rhombus. Rhombus means a plus b not equals to 0 and modulus of c is a perfect square, is a perfect square, perfect square, right? So these are the shortcut method to find the nature of the quadrilateral formed by the homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Okay, now we will see at the same time how to find the area of the quadrilateral in different cases. That also we will discuss. Okay, see this one. Here is that the next concept is that how to find the area of the quadrilateral. See the first one. The area of parallelogram formed by s is equals to 0 and s dash is equals to 0. Already I told what is the meaning of s and s dash. S will be represent the homogeneous equation and s dash is that non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation is the formula will be modulus of c whole divided by 2 into root of h square minus ab. This one is that area of the parallelogram formed by these two equations. Okay, right, next one. See, the another one is that area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram formed by s is equals to 0 and s dash is equals to 0. Here I think everybody will be erase one doubt, that will be, now here also area of the parallelogram and second one also that area of the parallelogram, but this is that one expression and the next one is that another one, that is a modulus of a into alpha square plus 2h into alpha into beta plus b into beta square whole divided by 2 into root of h square minus ab. Here what is meant by alpha comma beta? Where alpha comma beta is a point of intersection of s dash is equals to 0. Here s dash will be represent that second degree non-homogeneous equation. Now that equation will represent the pair of lines which does not passes through origin. Those lines point of intersection is alpha comma beta. So that means this is the another expression. Right, next one is that the area of rectangle, formed by the equations s is equals to 0 and s dash is equals to 0 is modulus of c whole divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4 into h square. This one is that another expression. Okay, suppose if you take that point of intersection of the lines represented by non-homogeneous equation, now that will be another form. See this one, area of the rectangle formed by the equations s is equals to 0 and s dash is equals to 0 is is modulus of a into alpha square plus 2h into alpha into beta plus b into beta square whole divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4 into h square. In this formula also, where alpha comma beta, where alpha comma beta is a point of intersection of S dash is equals to 0. So this one is that area of the quadrilateral. Okay. So I hope that these formulas everybody are understand. Now we'll see that some examples related to this one. Okay. See that some examples related to that above concept. Say the quadrilateral formed by the lines 6x square plus xy minus y square. Here homogeneous and in non-homogeneous, the homogeneous part is that same. Okay. So solution, look at this. Solution of the first question. In this one, a plus b is equals to 6 minus 1, that is equals to 5. So this one is not equals to 0. So a plus b is not equals to 0. And here c, modulus of c is equals to what? That is equals to 10. This one is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. 10 is not having a perfect square. So what do you say? The quadrilateral, if these two conditions will satisfy, modulus of c is equals to 10. This one is not having a perfect square. So this one is nothing but a parallelogram. So therefore the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore this one is that first these equations will be form a parallelogram. So this one is the answer to the first question. And next, see the next second one. Second one is that first one is the homogeneous and the second is the non-homogeneous. In non-homogeneous, first three terms in homogeneous are same. That means a plus b is equals to what? That is that 3 minus 3, that is equals to 0. And modulus of c is equals to, this one is the 9, that is equals to 3 whole square. So constant is having a perfect square. Therefore a plus b is equals to 0, and if the constant have a perfect square, then the quadrilateral is a square. Therefore quadrilateral is a square. This one is a square. Okay, this is the solution of second question. And third question, you see this one. Third question is that solution of the third one is that 2x square minus 3xy minus 2y square, and non-homogeneous is 2x square minus 3xy minus 2y square minus 10y minus 8. So here is that a plus b is equals to, this one is that 2 minus 2, that is equals to 0. And next modulus of c is equals to, this one is that 8. So 8 is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. Perfect square. So then what do you say the quadrilateral? So a plus b is equals to 0 and this one is not a perfect square. Means the quadrilateral will be represents a rectangle. That is nothing but a rectangle. Therefore that quadrilateral is a rectangle. So this is the simple method to verify the given equations or what type of the quadrilateral. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe this channel.